Hello, all you wonderful people, all the motorheads, all the bikers, all the motorcyclists, so on and so forth. This is a video about Motomod's Paddockstand, which I ordered from Amazon. Since I couldn't steal the Paddockstand from my service center, lot of unsuccessful attempts. Finally, I decided I have to buy one for the very reason of saving my chain sprocket wheel, because with a side stand it's very difficult to clean your chain, to lubricate your chain, and to change your tire and also wash your bike. So I had no other option but to steal money from my wife and buy this paddock stand. Finally it arrived. Took a lot of time for me removing the bubble wrap out here, lots and lots of it, good amount of packaging, took about 15 minutes or so, and reviewing this at a time where I was supposed to help my wife peeling potatoes. Wow. Okay, so that's about it. This paddock stand, it came without these holders. The holders came separately, and these screws, so I had to just put this holders to find out how this particular thing works, because it's the first time I'm going to use a paddock stand. To be honest, the finishing is not very great, as you can see here. The paint and the nut, check this out, and there are these rubber sort of small sheets attached to this holder to make sure no damage is done to the bike or to the paddock stand. Overall, if you see, don't mind my leg, they are dirty, I know. Pedicure costs a lot. These are the wheels, and there is this piece of, a grip. I thought it's of rubber, but it's fiber. There are these strands coming out of it. So build quality, I would say above average, but yeah, for a 2000 rupee paddock stand, I think this is the best what you can get. We are gonna fix this to the vehicle, to the Benelli TNT 300, which is a heavy pile of metal. I don't know why Benelli decided to keep it at a weight of 194 kilos. Let's see if this thing holds up. This thing